In this video, I'm going to show you the best niches that you can use to earn money online from YouTube Shorts. First one is animals. People love to watch shorts about animals. For example, let's take a look at some dogs shorts. Let's type in dogs and sort it by the most viewed in the past month. That way we see what is hot right now. Look at some of these. Puppy versus adult dog jump challenge. 28 million views posted just 2 weeks ago. What is this? My Pomeranian loves to take baths. It's a video of a Pomeranian taking a bath. 24 million views posted 3 weeks ago. Where does a service dog go to the bathroom in the airport? 9.3 million views posted 3 weeks ago. So you can see videos about dogs get tons of views, and this really is a great niche to go viral in. Let's take a look at the next great viral niche for YouTube Shorts. This one is world records. Let's take a look at some of these world records videos. He was so close to the world record, 20 million views uploaded 3 weeks ago. I broke a world record, 7.1 million views. Now, you don't actually have to go out and break world records. What you can do is use this video, but put your own voiceover on top of it, and I will show you how to do that at the end of this video. But you can see these world records videos get tons of views, and that is why it is another great viral niche for YouTube Shorts. Let's take a look at the next niche, the celebrity niche. Check out some of these. Celebrity lookalikes, 2 weeks ago, 5.5 million views. Look at this one. What is this celebrity? All this one is they've used a program to make a celebrity photograph look older and then slowly changed it back to the regular face throughout the video, and it's got 4.4 million views. And look at this. This is the 96th version of this video. So they're putting out 96 of these things. They have a whole channel called Guess the Celebrity, up to character 198. So, and look at these videos, 155,000 views, 154. If you got that many views on each of your shorts, your channel would be huge. There's another celebrity lookalikes. So you could definitely make videos like this. Scarlett Johansson on her secret celebrity crush, 2.2 million views. This is a great niche to go viral in for YouTube Shorts. Let's take a look at the next niche. This is trick shots. Take a look at some of these videos. These trick shots are mind-blowing. It's just a collection of trick shots, 13 million views 3 weeks ago. Here's some more. These trick shots took them that long, and it's just a collection of trick shots. Now again, you don't have to make these trick shots. You can just use other people's recordings of trick shots and put your own voiceover and commentary on them. And again, we're going to talk about how to do that at the end of this video. Let's take a look at the next viral niche. This one is cars. Now here is a really great example. Look at this one. It's just photographs of cars showing how cars changed throughout the years. This is a super easy kind of video that you can make and recreate over and over and over again with different types of cars. Let's see how many views this guy has gotten. 1.6 million views, and it was posted less than a month ago. So again, cars is a great niche to go viral in. Let's take a look at the next niche. We got tech. Tech is a great niche to go viral in. Let's look at these. Amazing, all this title is just hashtags. Amazing technology. 13 million views. Let's take a look at it. Here's somebody using some technology to build things. You could easily make a video like this. What else do we have? 5 sneakiest tech pranks ever. 10 million views. Here's another one from the same channel as the first one. There's another amazing technology. It's just a video of a machine putting things together. Again, you could easily make a video like this and get millions of views, and the tech niche is a great niche to do it in. Let's take a look at the last niche, that is facts. Here is a really great example as well. 10 most rare superbikes. All it is it shows 10 of the most rare superbikes in the world. This is another great example of a video that you could easily make and recreate over and over and over again and get millions of views. How many views has this one gotten? Almost 12 million views, 11.9 million views, and it was posted less than a month ago. And this whole channel is just devoted to facts. Let's see what other kind of videos they're doing. Top best mileage bikes in India. Almost 500,000 views. It was posted a day ago. Top 10 trending bikes in India, 4 million views, posted just 5 days ago. So can you imagine if you had a channel filled up with 30 or 60 or 100 videos like this that are getting 500,000 to 4 million views a piece and more? Your channel would be huge. Now, make sure you keep watching, because next I'm going to show you exact products that you can promote to make even more money. I'm going to give you specific tips that you can use to make sure that your shorts do get views, and I'm going to give you an action plan for what you should do next. But first, let's talk about some great niches that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing with YouTube Shorts. Now, these could also go viral, but it's more likely that instead of getting millions of views, you'll get thousands or maybe hundreds of thousands of views. So you can promote affiliate products as a way to make money. Here are a few examples. First one is fitness. Fitness is always great. Look at how many views these videos are getting, and they're only a few seconds long. This is one example that can actually get millions of views, and you can use it to promote an affiliate product, so you can make twice the amount of money. Now keep watching, because in a little bit, I'm going to show you a great fitness product that you can promote to make lots of money. Next is the Excel niche. Now this is a great niche that nobody ever thinks about. This is great because it's a very targeted niche of people who are looking for solutions to their problems. And a really great way to monetize this would be to make your own collection of Excel videos, and you could sell them as a course. But look at some of these videos. How to create a dynamic numbered list in Excel. 3.7 million views, and it was posted 3 months ago. You can see other languages here. Here's a quick Excel trick. 1.1 million views. Miss Excel interview question trick, 1 million views. Let's take a look at the most viewed this month so we can see what is hot right now. And here, look at this. Here's somebody who's dominating the top 4 spots. The same channel, the same person. How to use Alt plus colon key in Excel. 183,000 views posted just 12 days ago. What else is he doing? Useful custom format options in Excel. 121,000 views. And you can see how fast and easy you could make these videos, and you don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You just do a screenshot and a voiceover. And if you sell your own course to these people who are watching this, you could make lots of money. Let's take a look at the next great niche for affiliate marketing, make money niche. Let's take a look at some of these. Here's one great way to make money as a teenager, 5.1 million views, and he's just giving you some ways to make money as a teenager. How to earn money online part 2. Now what you can do here is just tell people about certain ways you can make money online, certain websites that you have seen where people can go to make money online. They can be about financial advice, places that you can go to work from home. So if you're doing a video about a cool website you found that people can use to make money, you don't even have to show your face. You just screen record it and do a voiceover saying something like, hey guys, here's a cool site that I found that you can use to make money, and then just talk about the site a little bit. Let's take a look at the next great niche, motivation. Now, motivation is a great niche that is always popular because people are always looking for ways to be more motivated and successful, and there are always lots of good affiliate products that you can sell based around motivation. Let's take a look at one of these videos here. It's called Quite is Weak. It's got 10.3 million views. And here's a whole channel that uploads things like this. It's called Billionaire Life. You can really make a lot of money in the motivation niche, and you can get lots of views, so you make even more money. Basically, what you want to do is find what is called a hair on fire niche. Imagine someone's head is literally on fire. They would do almost anything to put it out. And they want to solve that problem right now. Not next week, not tomorrow. They want to solve it right now. So here's how to choose products to promote. Now we want to pick products that have a really high payout. You can find products to promote at places like ClickBank, Share a Sale, JV Zoo, and Digistore24. Now, if we go to ClickBank's marketplace and sort it by average commission per sale, we can see the highest paying affiliate offers going right now. Now, you can create a whole channel making short content just based around one of these products. Here's one called Bots Live Trading Room, and the average money you make per conversion is $2,556.19. That means that each time someone buys this product, on average, you will make $2,556.19 from that one sale. Let's look at the next one, the Bird Dog Bot, real estate deal finding software for investors. It's got $1,305.68 average money per conversion. What's next? The Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind, $1,118.42 average money per conversion. Here's a really good one, Sobriety Success. You make $226.93 on average for each person who buys this product. Now, if we sort it by gravity, we will see high selling products that should be super easy to promote. Here's one called Pro Dentum, monster in the dental niche, $133.40 average money per conversion. Now, the payout is smaller, but Since lots of people are buying this product, you should be able to sell more of it, which will make you more money in the long run. Here's another high-selling product, Flux Active. This is a prostate product, which is a super drilled down niche. And this is a great example of a hair on fire niche because someone who is having prostate problems is definitely interested in finding a solution right now, and they are willing to spend some money to do it. Here are some great tips that you can use to make sure you are making shorts that will get views. But before I give you these tips, I need you to smash that subscribe button if you've gotten some value from this video, so I can help you with other ways to make money on YouTube as well. And in every video, I do a shout out to one of my random subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed and maybe I'll shout you out in the next video. The shout out for this video goes to Lily. Lily, thank you very much for subscribing. I hope this helps you out. Now, here are the tips. Emojis. You want to use emojis in the title of your short and during the video so that you can hook people and keep them watching. You want to add subtitles or animated sound to everything that is going on in your video. You want to study small creators in your niche. You want to see what is getting them lots of views on their shorts, and then you want to use that same strategy for your channel. So go out and find 5 or more other creators in your niche with under 100,000 subscribers and are getting lots of views on their shorts. Go and watch some of their shorts and make a list of the shorts that are getting the most views. You want to pay attention to the titles they're using, and you want to use those same exact titles. You want to pay attention to what the content is, and then you want to create that same exact content for your shorts. You want to pay attention to how long the video is and make sure that your content is the same length. You also want to post your shorts multiple times throughout the day, up to 4 times a day if you can. And you want to post at the best times, which are going to be 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. your time. Now, after you start posting some shorts, you can look at your own analytics and see when most of your users are on and start posting at those times. But to start off, you want to post either from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. through 6 p.m. and that is your local time. That is how you can get the most views with your shorts. Now let's talk about how to get guaranteed results. What you want to do is go to YouTube and search for hashtag shorts plus your niche. You want to sort it by the most viewed, and you want to sort it by uploaded in the past 30 days. Go through and find the videos with the most views and recreate these videos on your channel. Again, you're going to want to look for channels that have under 100,000 subscribers, and the lower number of subscribers, the better. That means that this video is not just getting lots of views because there are tons of people subscribed to that channel. It means that there are tons of people interested in this content, and you could easily recreate the success of this video. Another good thing to do is make all your shorts have the same title format. If you look at successful channels, you'll see that they usually only have like 2 to 4 different title formats that they use over and over again in all of their videos. They just plug in different details. So for example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could have a title format of 5 benefits of, and then every video you do, use a different exercise. So you could have 5 benefits of squats. And then another video you could do 5 benefits of push-ups. And then another video you could do 5 benefits of cardio. You get the idea. After a while, you will build up a huge catalog of videos with similar titles. What's great about that is that once someone watches one of your videos, it's super easy for YouTube to recommend another one of your videos to that person and keep them watching more and more of your content. So this is a great way to get people to watch more than one of your videos, and the algorithm will then start to recommend your videos more and more. So here is your action plan. First, you want to pick a niche. Then you want to come up with 2 to 4 title formats to use and stick to them. Do not variate from the title formats. You want to publish a short at least every day, but if you can do 2, 3, or 4 shorts every day, that is going to be even better. You want to publish at the right time, which is 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then you want to look at your analytics and find out what shorts are performing the best, and then you want to make more shorts like this. Now, if you want to make some real money, the smartest long-term way to earn money online from YouTube Shorts is to start a long-form YouTube channel and then start another channel that just uploads shorts and use the Shorts channel to promote your long-form YouTube channel. Keep that in the back of your mind for a long-term goal, but right now, just get the ball rolling with your shorts and go from there. And if you want to know how to make these videos, click here to watch my video where I show you how to do that.